Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bagwindy DIY Auto, and this is another video on my 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. My passenger front window switch is broken. This guy here, the lock works, but the window switch here is broken and I need to change it. So I went and purchased a new one through Amazon, which is this guy here. Just came, and I'm going to replace it. It's a very easy replacement. The way to replace it is just to slide your fingernails in between the switch and the panel and just pop it up just like that. And then this is the lock for the harness. Just squeeze it in and just pull it out just like that and install the new one. This is the new one here. All I have to do is just line it up just like that and slide it in, lock it in, and put it back in place, and just installed it just like that. Now here are the locks. They are spring loaded. Once it goes inside the compartment here, it expands and locks it in just like that. And this is the new one. You see, works. And the lock works. Just like that. Easy replacement. Okay guys, so you see the difference between the old one and the new one. This one here is just the regular operational kind, and the new one here is the auto. This one here, I can actually just can see this one here is a different feature. It's the auto. This one here comes with the auto switch, which is very nice. I can just touch it like that and it goes up on its own. So it's a much upgraded ones. Okay guys, so I purchased this product here through Amazon, and if you would like to purchase one like this, I will add the link. So thank you again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. I know it's a very short one. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.